How to generate Ghibli image using GhibliArt AI website. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and search for GhibliArt AI. In the search results, you'll see the official link of GhibliArt AI. Navigate to this website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to generate the Ghibli style image, here you can see try for free option. Tap on it. It'll prompt you to this page. From here you can upload the image which you want to convert into the Ghibli image. So tap on this upload image section. It'll let you access your gallery of your phone. You can select the picture which you want to convert into the Ghibli style. Tap on the image. I've selected this image to convert it into the Ghibli style. It has already given the default prompt. Right below that, you can select the aspect ratio of the photo. Once you are done selecting everything, you can tap on this generate Ghibli style image. Now you should wait patiently and it will generate the Ghibli style image for your uploaded photo. So that's it. That's how you can easily generate Ghibli style image in GhibliArt AI website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.